Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to push Loom email notification. To push Loom email notifications, you generally need to adjust your notification settings within Loom app or the website. Now, here is how to get that done. Launch the Loom desktop app on your computer or just go to the Loom website at loom.com using any browser of your choice. If you are not signed in, log into your Loom account using your credentials. Now, once you're in a website, I'm choosing the website, so this is the web app. So once you are in, just head over to the left navigation panel where you have home, my library, notifications, watch later, history, and settings. Select notifications, and that's going to take you in here. So from here within the notifications window, head over to the top right corner where you have this settings wheel. Click on the settings wheel, and that's going to take you into the notification settings itself. Now, in the notification settings, you'll find options for various notifications, including email notifications, which we have in here. So notify me when, and you have email, you have desktop, and you have mobile. So for you to push, so look for you to push the notification, look for the specific email notifications you want to enable or you want to push. So here you have engagement, you have my videos are fast viewed, you have video sharing, you have video stitching, you have education, you have spaces, you have watch later, and you have the toggle right next to them. Okay, so look for the specific email notification you want to enable or push. So let's say all your email notification has been turned off, and I'm just going to click on turn off all. So it means all of these are disabled, all email notifications disabled. So for you to enable, let's say for example, my videos are fast viewed, go ahead and click on the toggle switch that is next to it to enable. So once you click on the toggle switch, that's it. You have been able to enable email notification for this desired option. So you can just go ahead and continue the process for every other. That's if you just want to follow your preferences. But then for you to just turn on all instead of bothering yourself too much, so just go ahead and click on turn on all, and all the email notifications will be pushed or will be enabled. Now, after adjusting your notification settings, ensure you save your changes if prompted. But once you have turned the toggle, that's it. It saves automatically. Then your preferences will now be updated, and you should receive email notifications based on your selections. Now, monitor your email inbox for notifications from Loom. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see them in your primary inbox. Then ensure that the email address linked to your Loom account is correct and accessible. And you can also adjust other notification settings, such as in-app notifications and push notifications if using the mobile app from here. So by following the steps, you can push and manage your Loom email notifications effectively. Now, go over the tutorial from top to put them to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.